Yo, what's up with y'all, man? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy 84 Cuddy, yes sir, aka Built on a Budget Junior. That's right, man. If you haven't already, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel, man, and turn on all post notification bells, yes sir. And man, I hope everybody doing good today, man. Hey, it's raining out here, but we still got work to do. We can't let nothing stop us, you know what I mean? Hey, it actually feels good, man. It needed to cool down a little bit. You know what I mean? But like I said, man, hey, I hope everybody doing good today, man. You know what I mean? I hope everybody had a happy Memorial Day. You know what I mean? Hey, but we back. We back. Y'all see it. Hey, this mess right here, man, this mess got to get cleaned up, bro. This mess got to get cleaned up. That's what we here for. Hey. Who wanna come help me clean this mess up? Cause boy, I don't know where on get. I ain't see on since the other day. For real, I ain't see on get. That joker be showing off and stuff, man. But man, who gonna help me come clean this junk up, man? We gotta get it right. Yes sir. Sparrow got to get back on the road this week, yeah. Straight up. Huh? Yes sir. Graduation coming up. My daughter about to graduate. Yes sir. Class of 2025. Yes sir, man. I want to drive Sparrow to the graduation. You know what I mean? Hey, we gotta get right. Hey man, make sure y'all hit them like button, man. I said them like buttons. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Turn on post notification bells, man. Hey, stay locked. We about to get into the video.
Yeah, 84 Cuddy in a photo. Miss my father-in-law so much I had to name my car Sparrow. Cause I know he flying high up in the sky. That's just how I feel.
Lordy. Yo, y'all see that mess? Man, listen, man, it ain't that bad though, man. It just look like that, man. It just look like that. It ain't that bad, man. It ain't that bad. It just look like that. Hey, but guess what, man? We got all our wires figured out, man. Yup. We got all our wires figured out for our makeshift fuse box. Yes sir, our D.I.Y LS swap standalone harness, man. Y'all remember now I had the stock LS fuse box in here, man. So I wanted to remove that to clean the engine bay up a little bit. You know what I mean? Hopefully I can clean it up, reroute my wires, and yeah, man, touch up my pin and stuff like that, man. Clean up my engine bay. You know what I mean? Freshen it up a little bit, dog. You know what I mean? Yeah. But yeah, man, that's where we at with it. Y'all see I got all my pink wires. I wouldn't say all of them because there's a lot more pink wires. Because if you see, you got pink wires right here. You got pink wires right here. You got pink wires right here. And you got pink wires right here. So, you know, I could have put them all together, you know what I mean? I could have did that, but I just wanted to separate them, you know what I mean? Kind of run them on his own fuse or whatnot. So, yeah, this is a drive-by wire, 4.8 LS. Yes, sir. And like I said, I got everything wired up to where everything working. And now, all I basically have to do is just snip these ends off, put them together, and solder it to the one wire. That's basically all I got to do now. And let me show you something else. Let me get a little closer. If y'all look down there, see this box right here, this connector. See, I wanted to keep all of that, cause that right there is still cause y'all, as y'all know, I got the Tahoe gauge cluster in there, so that right there is connected to that. Yeah, man, I got everything hooked up. The tack module, the gas pedal. This is my main right here. Right here is my main fuse. Let me show y'all. I got my main fuse and my fuel pump relay. I said my main fuse. My main relay and my fuel pump relay. But yeah, man, my makeshift fuse box. And all my wires, man. All of it, like I said, all I gotta do is clip them off, solder them together, and that'll clean all that up. But like I said, it just looked like I got so much wires because I kept this right here. You know what I mean? I kept that connector. I wanted to keep all of that right there while it was connected, and just add power to it. You know what I'm saying? Just to make it simpler. You know what I mean? Yo. But man, let me show y'all, man, that we got it working. Let me make sure ain't nothing touching, dude. Make sure ain't nothing touching first. I done move stuff. Well, I do gotta hook my fan power back up. I do have to. Let me make sure. Nah, all is temporary now. All is temporary. But we got them. Let me see. Y'all hold tight. Put the battery up. Put the battery up. Positive first, ain't it? I think so. Positive then negative. Alright. We're gonna do this live. Well, not live, but I ain't cutting nothing up. So if it don't start, y'all will see it. Let's get it. I'ma reach my arm inside. Let's see what we get. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me show y'all something else. Hold up. Dash got light. Y'all see my dash light on. Y'all see my OBD2 reader on, so that means that's connected, my OBD2 port. And let me show y'all something. Hey, boy, and I done hooked that gas pedal up. Talk to me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Talk to me. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Hey. Now, I don't want to say it been simple. Know what I mean? But it wasn't that hard. I ain't gonna say it was simple, but it wasn't that hard. And the only reason why I say that, man, because I did my own LS swap and I did my own wiring from the beginning. You know what I mean? I just wanted to try something different. Now, I'm not saying that I'm gonna keep this. Matter of fact, y'all, hold up. Let me unplug this battery right quick before I forget. I mess around and touch something, boy. Then I mess around and look like, My body was on game when I come around. I be bothering them. I be bothering them too much, y'all. Man, that's my dog. I'm gonna try to call him later though, but yeah, man. Like I said, I ain't saying I'm gonna keep this like this now. I'm not sure. It just depends, cause see, I still gotta test drive it and stuff like that. Turn, you know what I mean? Cut up a little bit. I gotta make sure that when I do that, none of this right here come loose and the whole car cut off. You know what I mean? So that right there is gonna be a dependent factor if I keep this like this. Not like this, but you know what I mean. Keep the fuse box and the relays like that, or just go ahead and order me a harness. You know what I mean? But either way, I want to clean this up. I gotta clean this up. Cause man, I want me another project, for real. So, yeah, man. So that way I'll be done with this right here and I ain't got to keep touching it and breaking stuff down because I'm trying to find stuff to do. That's really why I be breaking my car down, because I missed it in the beginning. You know what I mean? Like, I wasn't recording when I first decided to do my LS swap. I wish I did, but now like I gotta come back and show y'all how I did this, show y'all how I did that. You know what I mean? Which I wish I did it in the beginning, you know what I mean? That way I wouldn't have to kind of be backtracking right now, you know what I mean? I'd be tearing my car apart to you know what I mean? Kind of like break down, man, trying to help. You know what I mean? That's all it is, trying to help. I ain't got no problem with that. Hey, if you got a question, hey, ask. I ain't gonna say I'ma always have an answer, but I probably can find the answer, and I'm pretty sure if you do the research, you can find the answer too. But yeah, man, y'all see, man, we got everything working. Like I said, all I gotta do is snip these wires, boom, solder them together. Yes, sir. Loom them up, man. Hey, and see how we go from there. Hey, yes, sir, man. Hey, if I did this right here, man, hey, y'all can do it, man. Y'all see Sparrow. Sparrow can really, I should pull Sparrow up right there. But I ain't want to do that because I got all my wires, you know what I mean? I ain't want to mess nothing up. But y'all see it. That joker start right up. That new starter ain't been playing, huh? Yes, sir. Hey, man, but I appreciate everybody's support, man. Hey, if you haven't already, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Share this out, man. Y'all need help with these LS swap harnesses, LS swap anything, man. Hey, let's get it, man. D.I.Y, man. If I did it, you can do it. This is my first time doing any of this, man. All I do is it take some time, man. Research, you know what I mean, and stuff like that, man. And you'll get it. You will get it. For real, man. I got it. So I'm pretty sure you can get it, man. For real, man. Hey, this your boy 84 Cuddy, man. Till the next one, man. Y'all stay locked. Yeah.